Hello there, welcome. Today we are going to see how to fix the SSL pending error on the Shopify store. To begin, open your Shopify admin page. Go to the right corner of your screen and click My Store. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on the Help Center. A chat box will appear. Type the problem that you faced. In this case, I will type how to fix SSL pending error on Shopify Store. The chat box will recommend you a link where to go to find a solution for the problem. Click on the link. According to the Help Center, the solution is enabling a security connection to your Shopify store. It ensures that the data that your customer enter remain private and secure. To fix SSL pending error on Shopify store, the first thing we need to do is acquiring a transport layer security or TLS certificate. TLS certificates are provided for free for all domains that are added to Shopify. A TLS certificate is issued automatically in the following circumstances. For any asset that are hosted on the myshopify.com domain, or when you buy a custom domain through Shopify or transfer a domain to Shopify. Let us now see buying a domain through Shopify. To help you set up your domain and manage all your domain settings for your Shopify admin, you can buy a domain through Shopify. If this domain is the first domain that you add to Shopify, then it is automatically configured to be the web address that displayed to customers. After you buy your domain through Shopify, you can do the following tasks on the domain in your Shopify admin. Edit your name settings or create subdomain. When you buy a domain, you are connecting with the third party. Let us review connecting the third-party domain to Shopify. After you connect your domain to Shopify, you still need to log in to your third-party domain provider to manage the domain setting, pay for your domain, and renew it. You can make sure that your TLS certificate has been issued by verifying that the status of the domain is connected on the domain page. Note that you can't use the third-party SSL certificate with your Shopify store. TLS certificates are provided for free on Shopify. The other option to fix SSL pending error on Shopify store is verifying that your assets are secure. If your online store includes image, video, web front, or other assets that are hosted somewhere other than on Shopify, then they should be delivered over HTTPS. Any page on your Shopify online store that includes an asset that is not delivered over HTTPS is considered to be insecure. The best option to ensure that your assets are secure is to host all your online store's assets on Shopify. If you need to host your assets outside of Shopify, then make sure that you do the following. Host your asset on a server that publish over HTTPS. That is uploading and managing file. You can upload, manage, and delete file from file page in your Shopify admin. Files on the file page can include image and video and other assets. Make sure that the file requirements, that is, the file size, resolution, aspect ratio, and the file format. The other option to fix SSL pending error on Shopify Store is Certification Authority Authorization, or CAA records. It is used to specify which certificate authority are allowed to issue certificate for a domain. The other method is troubleshooting a security error for your third-party domain. After you connect your third-party domain to Shopify, your customers can't access your online store. The symptoms are an SSL unavailable error is displayed on your Shopify admin, or a message similar to your connection is unsecure is displayed on your storefront. This may take up to 48 hours or 2 days for the TLS certificate to be issued after you connect your third-party domain on Shopify. During that time, an SSL available error may be displayed in your Shopify admin. If the error persists after 48 hours or 2 days, then the settings on your domain provider's side may not be configured correctly. If the SSL unavailable error is still displayed after 48 hours, then do the following. Verify that your A record or address record is 23.227.38.65 and your CNAME record is shops.myshopify.com. If you use certification authority authorization records, verify that you have added all the required certification authorities. If you have the domain name system security extension enabled for your domain, then deactivate it. If you need further assistance, contact Shopify support. To contact Shopify support, follow the following steps. Go back to your Shopify admin page and click on My Store. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on the Help Center. A chat box will appear. Write your problem and send it. After 2 seconds, I still need help link will appear at the bottom of the chat box. Click the link and select the active store to connect to the advisor. Then start chatting with the advisor. He will reply you when he is active. Thank you.